All right, let's see if we can get into something here. Got a little bit of some movement. We are below value, so I'm going for a short. I don't know if it's going to be a scalp or it's going to be a run, but let me see if we can't get a pullback here and I'll get into some more. Hopefully that's what happens and it doesn't just dump out on me. So that would definitely suck. Yep. Let's see. Let's go, baby. Let's move it. Don't be along. Don't be along. Oh, man. It's looking pretty tasty right now. Looking pretty tasty. Boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, boom, boom, ba, da, 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 boom. What is going on with the world, man? We got constant war and bickering and fighting. Europe says they got like what 6 weeks of jet fuel left. What in the hell is going on with the world? It's just crazy shit. What's up, man? Doing all right, dude. Well, I'm thinking we're gonna see a little drop here, but I mean, I could be wrong. I'm just playing pretty light, and if it works out, I'll slap in some more. But yeah, yeah, hmm, right, right. Yep. See, if you look right here on this one, it pulled back. But we're kind of choppy. You really want to be in more volume when this is happening, and you really want the histogram to be in the direction aligned with everything else, right? But we had this big drop. We're coming down. We're below, and values above us. It's so. I mean, there's a good chance this this drops, I mean, it could just keep going up, but you know, who knows, man. Um, but yeah, so but that's yeah, the 0.5 is kind of like um is the go-to for finding the pullbacks. And then going all the way up to 1, I mean, look at right here. This is like a massive scalp you could take, right? But typically you're not they're not going to align as far as like the histogram when something like that happens, because the move is so big, it's going to push the histogram up. So it's kind of actually more risky to take them, but I like the 0.5. That's showing me that we're it's just a pullback and it's over with when it comes back down through. And then you can spot the divergences as well. Like you'll see divergences between the high and the low on this with price. And if you spot one of those at like a level or something like that, well, if it's diverging, you're probably you're going to get swept. So just wait for the next pullback. Wait for the next, like if it's a higher low if you're going long, but use this to find your higher low, not actual price, right? You know what I'm saying? Like this is a higher low right here compared to this low here. Use that instead of the candle after you spot a divergence, and you usually get you usually bottom pick it or top pick it. Yep. No problem, man. So this is looking, yeah, this is looking pretty good here. I'm liking this. I might start adding into this. We did tap into ES's value here for the 5-day, but it rejected it, went up and then rejected and came down again. So I'm kind of liking it, man. I'm kind of think I'm going to put a couple in there just to. Well, here's the trading view. It's just pretty much the same thing. Pretty much the same. Hmm. Yeah. So I'm looking at the structure too. So this is supply here that was created right at the open. If they're going to come up this high, they're probably coming up to supply. So I'm not going to put my stop all to this higher here. I am going to use this group of values. This is the asset stacking one as the stop, because if we break through that, then I don't want to be in a trade anymore. And so it's kind of subjective. And I'm also looking at okay, so I just got filled on this one. So I'm going to delete this. It's kind of like, it is subjective, but I'm also looking at ATR too. So right now the ATR is at 5, almost 6. So if I go, I don't know, 4 times that, that's, 20 points or 24, 25 points, and we're at 377. And that's going to put me at, up to 400 here, around here somewhere. But my value is sitting here. So I'm just going to be safe about it, reduce risk, give myself some more room. Right. And then if I'm correct, I'll start adding into it, DCing in. Everybody seems to think that DCing is like you add in when you're in the red, and it's not. DCing is you're taking your entire position size. Like say if you're going to risk 2% of your balance, you're risking like 0.25%, until you get to 2%, right? As the trade shows that it's actually working out, right? So and then what you do is you reduce risk as the trade goes in your favor. But if it doesn't go in your favor, you were just at 1/4 of your risk, and when you got stops, not your full position size. So that's kind of how I do it. Um, and yeah, and you'll see me slamming contracts as trades are confirmed. I'll start click, 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 right? And I mean, I have a mental note of what I should be doing, and of how many I should be going in and what my risk is. But if I get into a move that doesn't just sit here and take 2 hours to create some kind of fruition, I will max port the account if we move into momentum. Like if I get into a trade and I see orders start to fly across the books and I see the DOM just going crazy and I see just like a ton of volume coming in, I will ride that momentum. I'm not going to just let it go, right? But that's just something you got to spot. You just got to learn how to see it. And eventually you will. But like, I wouldn't be worried about that right now, man, because that's just going to add a whole nother layer of shit that you're going to have to try to figure out. Like using Bookmap. Like I use Bookmap to figure out if we're getting momentum or not. And if we get momentum, I'm definitely just going to click, 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 and let it run, and trail it out. But let's see if this actually continues to drop, because now we just got this double bottom here before I start putting in any more. I turn off all the buy and sell lines and everything. The NinjaTrader version comes default like this. The TradingView doesn't. It needs to be done, but just turn off all the buy lines and everything on the settings. So if you go like right here, where is it? Yeah, no, it's right here on the zone display. So turn off all these little buy sell line ones on the zones so that you don't chop your screen to bits. Or makes it look crazy, you know, because it does. Like you got a lot going on the screen, but it's kind of in the background, right? And I mean, that's if I'm zoomed in, but when I zoom in and I'm trading the actual, it doesn't look like a whole lot now, obviously. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Right. Yep. Yep. No, you're fine. That's good. The thing with stops, especially a lot of newer traders, they don't want to lose anything. So they want to make their stop as tight as possible. And then they want to put in the biggest position size as possible because they want that singular trade to buy them a Lambo. And so yeah, see, this is starting to not work out the way I wanted it to. We're still getting bearish distribution popping up here. And there could just be the pullback that's going to come, but we'll see. Yeah, we're still in a bearish distribution flow. So I don't know, I might just hold on to it. But yeah, so that's a lot of newer traders. That's what they do, man. They'll put their stop like right here. Like they'll get in this trade and they'll put it right here. But I can put in more contracts. So I'm like, you're gonna just get stopped out every time. So it doesn't matter what you do. Like entries, everybody focuses so much on entry. Entry. That's like the last damn thing you should worry about. Because you're never going to get a perfect entry. It just doesn't exist. So just don't even focus on it. Just focus on risk management. Where is value? Where's my invalidation if I'm wrong? And where should I take profit? And then the entry is just going to come when you click the button. Don't matter. dude, I don't know, man. We're gonna get war news probably, and then I don't know if I'm gonna even trade tomorrow. But yes, it's FOMC next week. I probably won't even trade. I probably won't even trade Monday and Tuesday. I usually don't. I try not to trade the Monday and Tuesday of FOMC because it just gives me a headache, and typically it's not very good. So now, yeah, well, they're depending on who's speaking too, so that's another fucking thing you got to pay attention to. Um, but yeah, so we got FOMC Wednesday, and then we got GDP, employment cost, for PCE price index Thursday at 8:30. I might actually do a YOLO session now on that one. That might actually shove price because we have three high impact things coming out all at once. Those usually I can usually pass some accounts like instantly on those. That's where I like to pass them. I don't like to sit there and trade evals for fucking weeks and weeks and weeks, or even days and days and days. Well, it's not even it's not even that. You're YOLOing the account. So it's the way you're looking at it. See, yeah, I'm starting to dislike this trade. The way you're looking at it is you're going, okay, this is just the cost of doing business. If I can buy this account and sit here and trade it for 6 weeks and then maybe blow it, or I can buy 5 of them and trade them all right now and try to pass them all right now. And you know what I mean? And that's just how I do it. I don't sit there and fuck with evals for weeks and weeks and weeks. Yeah, I'm really starting to dislike this trade. Well, they're squeezing it pretty hard. I mean, this hour candle is bearish. This is bearish. It's all bearish. Just they're squeezing. We're at our 0.5 right now. So, oh, we're pushing up to possibly the one. But yeah, so it's but so that you only want to do that because I like my pass rate is like maybe it's like 50%. So if I spend $500 on some accounts, I'm only going to pass half of them, right? But if you don't know what to do with them after they're passed, then it's not worth you to do shit like that. Like if you can't sit there and trade an account and keep it green, then there's no reason to go YOLOing and trying to pass an account to get a funded account just to blow the funded account. So yeah. Well, if you're learning, you're learning. Like there's no reason to spend a bunch of money on trying to gain capital if you're just learning. That's where people spend too much money, man, in this game. They don't take the time to really learn and develop the skill. They just go fund accounts or they go deposit a bunch of cash and then they fucking blow it and then say, "Oh, this is a scam," and then they quit. I've seen that. Dude, people will go and they'll reset thousands of dollars in prop firm accounts every month. Just keep trying. I'm like, the fuck are you doing, man? Try trading a demo for 6 months and make that profitable. And if you can do that, then go spend some money on some. They don't want to take the time to learn, dude. Imagine if your doctor rushed his fucking education that way. Yeah. I mean, nobody wants, everybody wants it now, now. And then it just don't work like that, dude. And if you need money, oh God. Oh God, I feel for you. If you need money, yeah, because now you're going to be, everything you do is going to be emotional. None of your decisions are going to be based on any type of logic. I mean, I've been there. I know it. Fuck, I mean, And I've watched a ton of people do it. So yeah, I mean, I didn't close it, but I'm still liking the shorts now. That was just kind of a pullback. Huh. Yep. For what? Huh? Well, do it in WAP. I can do a thing for in WAP where you can just upload videos. WAP's so I can just add something in WAP for that. Like there's chats, there's video, there's uploads and chats and all that shit for WAP. Yeah, that's dumb. Yeah, I know that's dumb. Yeah. Uh, yeah. That's an adaptive thing. What? Oh, yeah, Beth. Yeah. Oh, is she in here? Oh, what's up, Beth? Trying to find, trying to find my fucking. Oh, my a certain chart that I like. Yeah. Got too many things going on. Oh, these are all algos. Fuck. The algo group. Son of a bitch. Where are you? That's not it. Is it this one? Might be. Nope, algos. That man, they're running it up again. Not this one.
Well, Cowboy, I'm gonna have to catch you tomorrow. Hey, man, I had a long flight today getting back home, so I just wanted to
All right, man.
review this stuff before I hit tomorrow. Beth, you have a blessed rest of the evening. You guys have a blessed rest of the evening. I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, but we'll
Thanks,
see
you
you.
too.
Bye.
Oh, here it is. I found it. Finally.
Oh.
Boom, 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 boom. What's up? What up, man? Dun, 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 dun. You all right? Hello?
Yep, sorry. I got a kid here eating a piece of cake in front of me.
Oh, man.
I stole some of it.
That's horrible. All right, come
I
on,
have to
dude.
put him to bed soon, though.
Drop.
You got water? Yeah. Okay, go sit at the table. Don't drop that. The dog will eat it. My plate breaking. Apparently, Ellie
Mm. They are sure fighting it. Mm. Mhm. Yeah, it's FOMC week. I'm probably not even gonna trade Monday and Tuesday. I don't even want to deal with it. It's a nightmare every time I trade that shit. I don't want the large order dots on. There we go. Well, this kind of price action sucks. What the hell's going on here? Oh yeah. Boom boom boom. Dun, dun, dun. Well, I mean, they are getting absorbed. The buyers are. So might just hold it. Just hold it for a while. Hell yeah. Just hold it. Oh God. As it runs up. Oh, we got a new hour candle. Yeah, that's what 8 o'clock. So is it gonna run? Or are we gonna just gonna sweep some of that highs right there? 4 hour candle is still, well, might not be bearish here in a minute. We're almost to the extreme on this surge here. Almost to the one. Uh-oh. Canceled our order. Get stopped. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know why this is on there. Oh, it's because I was doing all that testing earlier. Where's flat? Where are you? Not even there. Oh, it's trend shift saying, oh, look at it. We're going up now. We're breaking up over daily right now. Good God. I don't think it's actually going to go anywhere. I think they're just going to chop it right here. Well, I mean, they could take it wherever they want, but this 4-hour candle just turned green. So I might actually flip this. Let me see. Waiting. See what this does after the zone here. Huh? Wow. Oh, because I'm staring at this thing and wondering what the hell it's about to do. I don't know. This thing's, it looks like it's going to break out up over the daily. I mean, I prefer it not. You know? Well, I mean, the trade's really not invalidated unless it breaks these values. So I don't just want to close it because we're right here. That would suck. Oh, look at it. Look at who it is. The dots. Oh, what's up, the dots? Sitting here and draw down. Yeah. I don't know, man. That don't look like a. I think it's just a short squeeze here. I don't know. I don't know what they're doing. For below value, I mean, I don't know. I mean, they might pump this bitch. They might. Yeah, sure looks like they're about to. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, what? What did you say?
Well, I said congrats on the payout.
Who?
Me.
Oh, Beth. Beth got payouts.
Just the
Holy.
one.
Well, I mean, shit, it's your first one ever.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
it sure is.
Hell yeah.
Big.
Did it on the with the First Light beacon.
Yep, exactly.
Some guy told me today that First Light beacon was shit and nobody makes money with it. I was like, oh,
That's
okay.
funny.
On X. X is like a very toxic fucking place to be.
Yeah.
Especially the ICT traders. They're the most toxic fuckers there are.
Ooh.
They are, man. They're it's not even a trading concept anymore. It's literally a fucking identity crisis.
It's crazy.
They like just pure shit talk you. One guy's like, you don't even know how to trade. You have to use an indicator.
Mm.
I was like, what? I was like, I fucking made it, man. What do you mean? If I didn't know how to trade, I don't think I even know where the fuck to start. I'm making some shit.
Right?
Fuck out of here.
Yep.
I was like, go sit on your daddy's lap. Come on. Drop. You squeezed us enough. Oh, don't you do that shit. No. Come right back down. You've already squeezed enough. You're tired of the squeezes. Probably won't even go anywhere. Just sit right here.
Yep, exactly.
Bounce around on my entry.
Mm-hmm. Of course.
What's up? What's up, the dots, man? What are you doing? He's probably.
Had to take a call from his dad.
Oh, is that what he said?
Yeah, it's in the chat.
Oh, okay. We're almost ready for our fucking annual swing trade. Getting there. Look at this. Look at that right there.
Ooh.
We just need our pullback, and then it's off to the races, man. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. So our oldest is off to MEPS. Joining the fucking Navy. While we're about to go into World War 20.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, right?
What he wants to do. Oh God, we're getting bullish fucking absorption here. Oh no.
Yep.
Oh no. That I don't like that right there at all. Probably going to close this that trade if that candle finishes like that. I don't want to.
No.
I'm going to reduce risk here to buys. Yeah, I'm just going to close them too. Those were fucking limit or order stop orders too. That's how I got them additional contracts in. That's aggravating when they do this.
Yeah.
They fill me and then they push.
Yep.
No. They're getting me. They're getting me.
Yep.
It's okay. It's okay. That is a I mean, if this is just a squeeze, it's a hell of a squeeze. I mean,
Right.
they didn't even come down through the daily candle at all. Come on, man. The previous day, that big ass candle, you're not going to retrace any of that. I just don't know about that. But if they rotate it up, they rotate it up. So
Yep.
I won't get long if they do. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that looks nasty.
Yep.
Boom, 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 boom. Well, value is shifted up.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pushing up.
Yep.
So I wonder if it's actually going to do. I wonder if it's actually going to do anything.
New 15-minute candle starting now.
Sweet. We just got a byline rejection on the daily candle. That's shitty. Kind of sucks. Yes, it does. Put this in the spot.
Look at that.
Yeah. What you gonna do, man? I see. I see you. The problem is NQ is pushing and ES is not. Yeah. They're diverging right now. Well, I guess NQ is leading. I was going to get out of this. I'm going to get out of it. We'll go along with it. Because why not? They're going to run it. Then let's see. Run it up there. Huh. Mm. Whoa. Magic, man. Magic, the magic. I wonder what Daniel's doing. No answer. Razor comes slamming back down and says, I told you I was going down. Yep. Mhm. I mean, that's a perfect rejection there. Fuck. Well, this is like super fun. I think I'm just gonna let it run just like this for a while and come back. And if it's pumping, I'll add in. Yeah, I mean, getting rejections for this value area higher here, so. And that was on the Z zone, and we're pushing. Just crazy that they're gonna just keep running this up. I'll keep buying it, but all right. I'm gonna get off here and